Welcome, visionaries, creators, and dreamers from every corner of the world. You're not just watching a movie, you're stepping into a vision of tomorrow. This is AURUM Prime, a golden city where technology serves humanity, where innovation meets elegance, and the future feels like paradise. What if artificial intelligence didn't replace us, but empowered us to live smarter, safer, and more beautifully? Here on WebTech2HR, we explore the power of AI, web technology, and cinematic storytelling to shape the future you're about to witness. If the future inspires you, don't just watch, be part of it. Like this video, subscribe to WebTech2HR, and join a global community building tomorrow. Now, relax, imagine, and journey with me as we enter a world where humanity and technology rise together.
So the energy grid is now 98% self-sustained? Yes, sir. Solar and kinetic harvesting exceeded projections by 12%. Impressive. But what about the thermal regulation in Sector 7? Adjusting now. Ambient temperature decreasing by 0.3 Celsius per minute. Good. Let's keep it balanced.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to WebTech2 for our YouTube channel team, where we explore powerful technology, AI tools, and real opportunities for creators.
I told you, the network's stable, no downtime, but we need to scale it globally, now. Trust me, it's already running.
This city moves like a dream. Every step feels intentional. Even the air tastes clean here. No rush, just flow. Welcome to tomorrow.
This is how we live now. No more rushing, no stress, just peace.
Mom, can I have another slice?
Of course.
Good evening, Mrs. Lin. Your medication has been delivered. Thank you, Aiden. You always remember my schedule. In the Golden City, trust isn't given, it's earned. I've recalibrated your home lighting for optimal sleep.
Can you tell me a story?
Every interaction builds a bond. Always here.
We're moving forward, not just surviving. The energy grid is stable, sir.
Initiating. All systems aligned.
We can't let fear dictate progress.
But what if the systems fail? The people need stability.
Probability of systemic collapse under proposed model, 0.7%.
Stand by for route optimization.
Is the district grid stable?
Power flow normal, rerouting in 3.
Confirming thermal load on Sector 7.
Proceed with calibration. Thanks, we're finally getting through.
So the energy grid is now 98% self-sustained? Yes, sir. Solar and kinetic harvesting exceeded projections by 12%. Impressive. But what about the thermal regulation in Sector 7? Adjusting now. Ambient temperature decreasing by 0.3 Celsius per minute. Good. Let's keep it balanced.
We built this world. Together, robot. And now, we watch it grow. This is not an end, but a beginning.